Hello friends, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to create your YouTube channel. First, you need a Gmail account, so create a Gmail account. Next, you need a Google Chrome browser in your phone. Set Google Chrome browser as default browser. Next, open YouTube in Google Chrome browser. Now select a particular Gmail account for your YouTube channel. Next, change your mobile browser view to desktop view. You all set to create your channel. Tap on the icon from the top of your phone as shown in the picture. Then select Create a Channel option. Now you can see a pop-up window. Tap on Get Started button. Next, you have to give a perfect channel name. You may also use the default channel name. Here I am using my channel name as test channel. Next, check the terms and condition option and then tap on create button. Now you can see a new page where you can see the channel name. Next, tap on create channel button. Your YouTube channel is almost ready. Next, select a channel logo and type your channel description in detail. You can also link your website and social media site with your channel. Now tap on Save and Done button. Congratulations, your YouTube channel is ready. Now customize your YouTube channel. Next, open your browser again. Now you can see your channel logo on the top. Tap on your channel logo. Select your channel option from the drop-down menu. Next, tap on Customize Channel button. Next, tap on Add Channel Art button to select a picture for channel art from your phone. Now tap on Select button to complete your YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel is ready to publish. Now you can upload your videos. Use YouTube Studio option to open your channel dashboard. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.